Praça de Armas. Terminal Sevilla, Praça de Armas.
Welcome to the Sevilla. We stopped for the 5 minutes here. I didn't been in Sevilla when I was half a trip on my bike. So I'm going on this bike, and then we arrive in Algeciras. We arrive in Algeciras at 23:30 in the night, and I don't have any idea even if I need to find some camping in the night will be possibly or not, because maybe check-in it will be too late. In my trip, on this trip to Morocco, I need to prepare myself very carefully, because going in Morocco in the night, it will be not good idea, okay? So let's see what's happening. I don't know. Together we can do this trip much more easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I never done been in the Sevilla. I mean, basically, I didn't been in the big cities, absolutely, because I was going on the bike and I was trying to go on the countryside road. Okay, man, looks like we need to go inside of the bus. This is our bus. Super fast, man. Super fast. Going on the bus is not like going on the bicycle, but then I was thinking to spending 450 kilometers in the same place, which is I saw, it don't have any sense. So we need just to go in from the one direction to the other direction. Today I've been in Portugal, and right now I'm in Spain. Let's go. Have some lot of free spaces here. We have free spaces here. Let's choose it. New one like here. I always love to see somewhere in the back like this. Maybe the people go out there. I want to see here 1 second.
Your face, please give me one more chance, so I can get a new start on that month. I go share this love, share this love, share this love. You can never trust an only soul. Every day you stole my heart. You can be my only friend. Every time, everywhere apart. I see the stars, I see heavy in your eyes. Your life is gonna change, you get a sense. You get a sense all my life. You gotta be in my heart.
We have a 10 minutes on the petrol station. So we arrive in the 23:50 at the Algeciras. And I still don't know what to do, or I just go into the ferry company. Look at this, the sun is a Spanish sun, man. Spain is beautiful. I was forget about this. It's such a absolutely different thing, man. So we have there is our bus. My experience for you guys to trip at my blog faster as this possible on the bus. Very good driver, very good man. So we now on the petrol station, so let's go to check the petrol station and continue our trip. And this video will be until I get the point of Algeciras, and let's see how is the Algeciras at night. I don't know, man. Maybe we'll go to the ferry company and ask it the ticket and just go, or we need to find something other option, because I don't know, man. Thank you. Our driver there, you see. coffee, €2, just because I want to sleep already, but this night will be without any sleep, I think. So let's drinking coffee because I'm not promised what today I will be sleep. I was thinking it's possible to sleep at bus, but I'm so excited and you just can't sleep on the bus. It's not possible. Even if you want, you just to take a nap a little bit. Especially for you guys. This is the experience on the bus. Hot, man, it's very hot. Here we go, we're moving again. I took my coffee with me, and the sun is almost going down. So, man, I'm very excited to see the new places. You still need to make it. Now it's in 19:39 at the clock right there. Maybe you can see. It's easy, and me in the bus is traveling, especially for you guys to see outside of the Europe situation on my bike. But I'm not sure what I will be cross today because I still feel energy, nice energy, but going inside of the big city of Morocco, it's very new for me experience, and I will be not ready to do this at night. Okay, so I think now basically we need to stay in somewhere, find the cheapest way in the Algeciras, stay in one night, and you understand what this is cost some money. So that's why we will do this together with you. For now I spending, and I'm very hope that I will be earning the money from the YouTube channel to show you the interesting places.